Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mac and cheese can be made ahead, spooned into a baking dish and stored, covered in the refrigerator, for 2 days. Cold macaroni and cheese may take a little longer than 30 minutes in the oven to be fully heated and cooked through.
Take our lead.
You could use water instead of milk in macaroni and cheese, but the result would likely be runnier and lack the full flavor macaroni and cheese is supposed to have. You can also go the other way. To increase the flavor, omit the milk and double the amount of butter, using real butter instead of margarine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You can cook your noodles hours before serving time. All you need is some olive oil, a large Ziploc bag, and your favorite pasta. With a bit of oil, a Ziploc bag, some water, and your favorite pasta, you can cook noodles a day in advance and forget about them until a few minutes before serving.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.